question of exercise 5.2, page number 82, question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speak different languages is given below. So this is the language and this is the number of students we are having. Display the data in the pie chart. So we have to make the pie chart with the given details. So this is the language and this is the number of students we are having. First of all, we are going to find the fraction. So I'm going to write here 40 divided by the total, that is the 72. So we are going to find the fraction. So the fraction will be 5 by 9. Now comes to the English. This one is the 12 divided by 72. So the fraction will be 1 by 6. Now comes to the Marathi. In this one we are having 9 divided by 72. So the fraction will be 1 by 8. Now comes to the Tamil. In the Tamil we are having 7 number of students. This one is divided by the total number of students. So we are going to get the fractions. This one is equal to the 7 divided by 72. This one is not getting simplified. Now comes to the next one. The next one is the Bengali we are having. So comes to the next one. The next one we are having Bengali. In this one we are having 4 number of students. This one divided by the 72. Now we are going to simplify this one. So we are going to get the fraction. So this one is equal to the 1 by 18 we are having. So this is the fraction we are having. Now we are going to find the central angle. So I am going to write here central angle. This one is equal to the, first of all, 5 by 9 multiplied by 360. The central angle is the 360. So we are going to divide this one. So we are going to get the value as the 200. Now comes to the next one. The next one is the English. The fraction we are having 1 by 6 and divided by 360. So 6 is the 36. So the angle we are having 60 degree. Now comes to the next one is the Marathi. The fraction we are having is 1 by 8 multiplied by 360 degree. So we are going to simplify this one. So the angle we are having is the 45 degree. Now comes the next one, Tamil. In this one the fraction we are having 7 by 72 multiplied by 360 degree. We are going to solve this one. So we are going to get the angle of 35 degree. Now comes the next one. The fraction we are having as the 4 by 72. We are going to multiply this one by the central angle, that is the 360. Now we are going to solve this one. So we are going to get the, this one we are having as the 1 by 18. I am going to write here. The fraction is 1 by 18 multiplied by 360. Now we are going to solve this one. So we are going to get the angle of 20 degree. So this is the central angles we are having. Now we are going to draw the pie chart. So this is the circle we are having, and this is the center, and this is the radius which we have taken. Now we are going to draw the angles by the clockwise. First of all, we are going to take the first one, the Hindi language. The central angle we are having as the 200. So you are going to draw this one with the help of D. I am drawing it roughly. You have to draw this one with the help of D. So the language we are having is the Hindi. Now comes to the next one, the English. The angle we are having is the 60 degree. So this is the angle of 60 degree. We will draw all the angles with the help of D. So this is the English. Now comes to the next one. The next one is the Marathi, and the angle we are having as the 45. So this one will be the angle of 45 degree, and the language is the Marathi. I'm going to write here Marathi. Now comes to the next one. Next one is the Tamil, and the angle we are having as the 35. So this is the angle of 35 degree we are having. We are going to write the language here Tamil. Now next one will be the 20 degree. The remaining, this is the 20 degree we are having, and the language is Bengali. So this is the pie chart which we are having with the given data. Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali. This is the 5 languages we are having, and we have drawn this one with the clockwise. We are going to draw this one with the clockwise. So this is the question number 5. With this one we have completed the question number 5 and the exercise 5.2. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 5.3.